How to add a payment method on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add a payment method on Temu. For this, open the Temu app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, to add a payment method, tap on the U icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you're here, you want to tap on the settings option at the top right corner of your screen. Now all of your settings will be displayed. As you can see, you will find your payment methods option over here. You simply want to tap on that. Now you're going to find all of your saved payments method over here. If you do not have any payment method, you can add a new one from here as well. For that, tap on the add a credit or debit card option. Once you tap on that, this box is going to appear. Here, you want to enter your card number, enter your expiration date, then enter your CVV number. Now enter your billing address, then tap on add your card. Once you enter all of these information, your payment method will be successfully added. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.